All right, hey everybody, how we doing? I'm Dave, one half of Shenanigans with D&D, and we are here with another unboxing. Obviously, I already went ahead and, cut the tape just to make things a little bit easier for me because I am doing this one hand. But today is a good day because it is finally here. I finally did it. I got myself a GoPro. I did get the one that came with the dual battery charger and the extra battery. So there's that. Not too sure. This is just an empty envelope here. But then here, this is. Yes. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh! There we go. Oh. 20 megapixel, 5K, 4K, 1080p live stream, 33-foot being waterproof.
Yes. 48 to go.
Oh, check this out, guys, too. The McDonald's Disney toys. So we got Flounder and Thomas Mouse. Timothy Mouse. Thought my wife said Thomas before. Oh well. Timothy Mouse and Flounder. 2 down, 48 to go. Back to the real stuff. This. All right, let's see. Oh, we got a little pull tab here. So open this. All right. There's some other features. Voice control, slow-mo, data overlays, time warp, live stream, super photos, raw footage, touchscreen, webcam mode. That's cool. I don't know how to do any of that stuff. This is going to be a big learning curve for me. This is my first GoPro I've ever owned. So I'm pretty excited. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Sorry guys, trying to do this one-handed. Wow. So we got, so that should mean that we have 2 batteries, mount, cable, looks like it's a type C, which is good. It's the same as my phone. Mount, put it on something. I'm not sure what. I think for right now I'm just going to get one of the handles to be able to do that. Hold it that way. Let's see if we can get the camera out of here. Alright, look at that. It's pretty nice. So, yeah, that's what I got. So I'm pretty pumped. Cool to see what it comes with, all the different stuff. Shall we open this box? I was going to get my mount out of the trailer, but I was being lazy. So now I'm fighting with this stuff, trying to open it one hand. And you know what? I'm going to hand this off. Thanks, buddy.
Welcome.
So, let's try and open this up. You know, whatever. I was trying not to destroy the box, but It is what it is. Limited lifetime warranty. Make sure I read up on that so that way if I have any issues with this, I'm good to go. Alright. Yep. So second battery, that's good. A little charger here. Another Type-C USB cable. So the one thing that I noticed, which is a little frustrating, is that it only comes with the cable. You don't get any type of power block. So hopefully you have some of those power blocks laying around. If not, you know, thank God Disney has, you know, USB plugs everywhere in all the rooms. So, alright, let's take this off. So this is pretty neat. Well, I don't know how to open it yet, and I don't want to break it. You can always look at the quick instructions here. Quick guide. So quick guide. So the charger's under this port here. So it says this pulls down. Oh, just like that. Okay. So that pulls down, swings open. So that's where we put the battery in. That's where the little USB cable goes as well. So that's pretty neat. Close that up, bring that back over. Locks it up. So this camera also has the detachable lens. So that way you can put different lenses on the end of this. This is supposedly have the mods too, so you can put like a microphone on it or a light, which I think is going to be really helpful with making videos. So I'm pretty excited about this. But again, this is my first ever GoPro. I can't wait to use it, and I'll get back with you guys. I'll use it for a little bit, and you know, maybe I'll do another review of how I think it works. But I also like this carrying case too. Obviously, you don't need to keep the tray. We'll get rid of that. But everything else will fit nicely in here. The charger, the 2 batteries. This is gonna be great. So, all right, guys. Again, I'm Dave, 1/2 Shenanigans with D&D. Keep up the shenanigans. I'll get back with you guys.